This week's top stories.
Sodexo introduces cleaning robot to children's ward. Sodexo's cleaning team at Stoke Mandeville Hospital, part of Buckinghamshire Healthcare NHS Trust, has a new recruit of the robot variety who has been named Chloe by young patients on the children's ward. The robot ensures the floors of communal areas, corridors, entrances and the children's wards are kept spotless, while staff concentrate on sanitising touchpoints around the hospital, which is crucial to preventing the spread of infections such as COVID-19. Compulsory EV chargers confirmed for new builds. An announcement at CBI's conference this week detailed law requirements for new homes, supermarkets, workplaces and major renovations to install electric car chargers. The government said the results of the legislation will make it as easy as refuelling a petrol or diesel car today, which includes the implementation of contactless payments for rapid charge points. 5 ways to make your website more accessible. Imagine if you could only access 2% of the internet. Persons with disabilities are living in that world, and businesses should continue innovating to create truly inclusive platforms and experiences built for everyone by everyone. To help, Fast Hosts has compiled expert tips for improving website accessibility.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.